Yeah, hello everyone. This is a Ford Territory Turbo with the Barra engine in it. Just making a video here on how to change the oil sensor switch. This is the old one here. I've got it out. Ford and Mildura were meant to replace this, but they didn't. You can see that it's a very old switch, and I still got the original Ford markings on there. I took it to another mechanic and he said, mate, that switch hasn't been changed. So I thought I'd set out to take it out myself after they stung me $1,000 for it. But this is what I've done to take the switch out. I've taken the intercooler off, which is a couple of bolts and a few pipes. Just keep undoing and you'll get there. It's not that much work. And I've taken the fuel injection rail off, as you can see here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts, and popped it back. And I've also taken the top manifold off as well. So yeah, that was a bit of a mucking around. Just be mindful, there's a 10mm bolt at the back, and all the rest are hex drives. Yeah, it probably took me about 2 hours all up, but I did get there. I also took the air conditioner off and the fans out as well, and the air conditioner pump and the dipstick, just to make some more room so I can get up in there. And just to put it in perspective, the oil, I started putting the new one on, and it is down there. Sorry, I can't see it too well, and it faces from slightly north to west. It doesn't go straight into the block like the other sensors that you'll find on the block. And I've just got a .21mm spanner, and I've managed to get my hand in here and down there to tighten it up as much as I can with my hand. And then yeah, a nice long 21mm spanner will finish off, tighten it up, and yeah, that's it. That's where the oil sensor switch is on a Turbo Territory Barra engine. All right, thank you, bye.